In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your website using Wix's SEO tools. Whether you're just launching your site or looking to boost its visibility online, mastering these steps will help ensure better performance in search engines. Let's dive in and take your website's SEO to the next level. First, head over to your Wix dashboard. Once you're in, look for the SEO tools section. This will be your new best friend for getting everything set up just right. Click on it and you'll find a variety of options to enhance your website's presence on the web. Here, you'll want to select the option to use the SEO Whiz. The SEO Whiz is a handy tool that can guide you step by step through the process of tailoring your site to meet best practices for search engines. It's designed to help you seamlessly integrate SEO strategies into your content without the need for coding skills. Once the SEO Whiz is activated, you'll be prompted to add keywords. Keywords are critical components that describe the main topics of your content. Think about what words or phrases potential visitors might use to find your site. A pro tip is to use a mix of broad and specific keywords to capture a wide audience while still reaching the right niche. After carefully selecting your keywords, input them into the designated fields. Make sure they're naturally woven into your site's content to avoid keyword stuffing, which can negatively impact your search rankings. Next up are meta tags, which are snippets of text used to describe the content of a web page. These tags don't appear on the page itself, but in the page's code, and they're essential for search engine optimization. Meta descriptions provide a summary of your site's content, while meta titles carry significant weight in search rankings. Ensure these tags are engaging, precise, and include your main keywords to entice search engine users to click on your link. Moving forward, you'll now focus on your sitemap. A sitemap is a blueprint of your website that helps search engines navigate through your content. In Wix, sitemaps are automatically generated, which is convenient. However, it's important to ensure that your site's pages are accurately reflected. If any updates or new pages have been added, be sure that they are included in your sitemap, helping search engines index your site more effectively. The final piece of our SEO puzzle involves submitting your site to Google Search Console. This tool is vital for tracking your site's performance, as well as giving you insight into how your site appears in Google's search results. To do this, go to Google Search Console and follow the prompts to add and verify your website. Verification might involve adding a meta tag, uploading a file, or connecting through your domain provider, depending on what you choose. Once verified, submit your sitemap for Google to crawl your site effectively. Following these steps will undoubtedly set your site on the path to greater search engine success, enhancing visibility and drawing more visitors. Remember, while SEO can sometimes seem complex, tools like the Wix SEO Whiz make it accessible for everyone. Stick with it. Continuously monitor your site's performance and make adjustments as needed to keep getting those great results. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.